Yes, good morning all my class 11 painting students. Today we are discussing your sample question paper or model question paper with answer key. And you must read question paper first properly, then general instruction repeatedly, I mean minimum 2 times, because I feel that few students do not read instruction of question paper properly. That's why they waste their time on 1 mark question, generally 1 point questions, answer complete within 1 line or 1 word only. Keep in mind, otherwise you just waste your time. So now you can see, suppose your paper like this, as you know that. First your school name, then Class 11, Subject Painting, Subject Code 049. Unit 3, Temple Sculpture, Bronze and Indo-Islamic Architecture. Sample Model Question Paper for Term 2. Annual Exam. Maximum Marks 15, Time 1 hours. General Instructions. 1. The question paper has 6 questions. 2. All questions are compulsory. 3. Question number 1, 2 are MCQ and 3, 4 1-point line answers, but all are of 2 marks each. 4. Question number 5 is for 3 marks with an internal choice. 5. Question number 6 is for 4 marks. 1 and 2 are multiple choice question, so choose the correct answer. Now fast. Multiple choice question and answer, choose the correct answer. Question number 1, A. Under which Indian dynasty was the descent of the Gangas made? I. Chandelas. 2. Pallavas. 3. Cholas. 4. Rashtrakutas. Answer 2. Pallavas. Question number 2. What is the location of the sculpture of Ravana shaking Mount Kailash given in your course of study? A. Kailashnath Temple, Cave number 16, A. Ellora. B. Elephanta near Bombay, Maharashtra. C. Konark in Orissa. D. Vimalavasi Temple. Answer B. Elephanta near Bombay, Maharashtra. Question number 3. Which of the following is called the Victory Tower? Option A. Qutub Minar of Mehrauli. B. Taj Mahal of Agra. C. Gol Gumbad of Bijapur. D. Jama Masjid, Delhi. Answer A. Qutub Minar of Mehrauli. Question number 4. Which of the following is not found in the artistry of Indo-Islamic architecture? A. Calligraphy. B. Abstract geometric elements. C. Pietra Durainle work. D. Dancing figures. Answer D. Dancing figures. Question number 5. Which of the following is famous for its whispering gallery? A. Qutub Minar of Mehrauli. B. Taj Mahal of Agra. C. Gol Gumbad of Bijapur. D. Jama Masjid, Delhi. Answer C. Gol Gumbad of Bijapur. Question number 6. What is the location of the sculpture of Ravana shaking Mount Kailash given in your course of study? A. Kailashnath Temple, Cave number 16, at Ellora. B. Elephanta near Bombay, Maharashtra. C. Konark in Orissa. D. Vimalavasi Temple. Answer A. Kailashnath Temple, Cave number 16, at Ellora. Question number 7. What do the 4 hands of Shiva Nataraj symbolize? A. 4 vices. B. 4 companions. C. 4 cardinal direction. D. 4 truths. Answer C. 4 cardinal direction. Question number 3. I, Minister of Solanki, ruler of Gujarat, made a temple sculpture on which religion? Answer. The oldest temple sculpture example of Jain religion architect. 2. Explain the subject matter. Answer. Subject matter of the sculpture is a seated mother holding her child. Question number 4. What symbolizes the posture of Lakshmi Narayan sculpture? Answer. The sculpture symbolizes the relation of soul second its ultimate lord, Atma and Paramatma. Mention the time period of the sculpture. Answer. Time period of the sculpture circa 10th century AD. Question number 5. In this sculpture, two large boulders of granite rocks have been engraved. In between them, there is a narrow fissure in which the god and goddess have been carved out, and numerous of humans, animals, deities and birds have also been shown. Identify the sculpture and name the place.
Answer. This sculpture is descent of Ganga located area Mahabalipuram, state of Tamil Nadu, India.
2. In which Indian dynasty this sculpture was made? Answer. The sculpture created under Pallavas dynasty. Write the subject matter and compositional arrangement. Explain logically with your artistic point of view. Answer. This is a large low-relief rock sculpture panel depicting the legend of the fall of the Ganga from heaven. This sculpture was a live depiction of the descending Ganga, a bearded, thin and serving Bhagirath wearing their skin stands one-legged, praying to Shiva. Shiva is seen standing next to him with one hand in the Banu-given gesture or Vardhan Mudra. The figures are slim with the linear quality in an energetic state. The volume proportion and depth are all accurate. The sculpture have complete control on all elements of this broad composition. Question number 6. In Chola period, bronze sculpture has been shown balancing himself on his right leg and suppressing the Apsamara on his right leg. Identify the sculpture and name the place. Answer. The bronze sculpture Nataraj found from Tanjavur district under state of Tamil Nadu, India. In which period this sculpture was made? Under collection right now. Answer. This sculpture was made between 12th century AD and right now collection under National Museum, New Delhi. Write the subject matter and compositional arrangement. Explain logically with your answer. Nataraj means Shiva as a king of dancers. This sculpture is a symbolic representation of the universal circle of life. Artistic point of view. Now 1 point question 1 line answer. Question number. What is the Garbhagriha in Indian temple architecture? Answer. Garbhagriha means a womb house and is a cave like a sanctum. In ancient temples, it was a small cubical structure with a single entrance. The Garbhagriha is made to house the main icon, which is the main focus of ritual attention. 2. What do you mean by Shikhra in temple architecture? Answer. The spire of a Hindu temple is called Shikhra in North India and Vimana in South India. Shikhra has a curving shape while Vimana has a pyramidal-like structure. Question number. How can you identify Madhubani paintings easily? Answer. Dorai line, all out line through double line, Tirchi line, under double line diagonal line, Bharni, flat color. By what other name are Madhubani paintings known? Answer. Mithila paintings. Or question number 4. 3 different forms of goddess head are shown in this sculpture. Mention their names, medium. Answer. Sculpture name Trimurti and 3 goddess face we can see right hand side Rudra Aghora and left hand side Shiv Shakti, Uma, Parvati Brahma and centralize Vishnu Roop. Period and write the location. Answer. Period circa 19th century AD. Location, Elephanta near Bombay, State Maharashtra, India. Question number 5. The earliest surviving example of a sculptural panel in the world. Identify the sculpture with place and which Indian dynasty this sculpture was made. Answer. This earliest and largest low-relief granite rock sculpture panel in the world is Descent of Ganga, the sculpture created between circa 7th century AD, under Pallavas dynasty. Write the subject matter and compositional arrangement. Explain logically with your artistic point of view. Answer. This earliest and largest low-relief rock sculpture panel depicting the legend of the fall of the Ganga from heaven. This sculpture was a live depiction of the descending Ganga, a bearded, thin and serving Bhagirath wearing their skin stands one-legged, praying to Shiva. Shiva is seen standing next to him with one hand in the Banu-given gesture or Vardhan Mudra. The figures are slim with the linear quality in an energetic state. The volume proportion and depth are all accurate. The sculpture have complete control on all elements of this broad composition. Question number 6. Write an essay on Indo-Islamic architecture based on the following parameters. Origin and development. Answer. The advent of Islamic rule in India in the end of 12th centuries AD brought its own business in theme of art and architecture. Muslims absorbed many aspects of local architectural traditions and amalgamated them into their own practices. 2. Name a preferred Indo-Islamic architecture in your syllabus and what is the specifications of this architecture? Answer. Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is a soaring, 72.5 m high tower, which was built in the 13th century by order of Qutubuddin Aibak. Which material is used? Answer. Red and buff sandstone. Explain the artistic aspects. Answer. The Qutub Minar complex comprises of the Quwwat-us-Islam Mosque, the first mosque to be built in India. A 7-meter high iron pillar, the tomb of Iltutmish, Alai Darwaza and the Alal Minar. It is also listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site along with surrounding buildings and monuments.